Hello everyone, folks. Today we have part of Mikhail's parcel for processing. Today we will recycle electrical connectors, more precisely, these are plugs. That's how they look closer. There are some mounting holes and it seems that the gilding on them is not so thin. Here I have 926 grams, there are 300 of them here, each with 5 contacts, and it turns out that 1500 pins. Well, today we will find out what content is in each. In a 5-liter glass there are 2.5 liters of water heated to 55 degrees. First we pour out the Chinese reagent jinchong 55 grams. Here we pour out 15 grams of caustic soda. As everything dissolved, we pour out the oxidizer. This is 15 grams of red blood salt. Do not forget about safety precautions, be sure to wear protective gloves and safety glasses. The solution is ready. Well, now we carefully pour it out, look. There's a bit of solder, but I think it won't hurt us. And with such movements now you need to wash it all off while the solution is active. By the way, not so straight and thin gilding, because it didn't wash off right away. "15 minutes later, look, one fork is white. There are also 5 more of the same, the rest are yellow. Now I will drain the solution and I will do it a second time. Perhaps the gilding is thick, because it did not wash off the first time. I prepared 2 more liters of the solution, pour it in, look. Well, now you can see that it is being washed away. Here's a look at what color they have become. Already gray. "15 minutes passed and the forks were completely free of gold. Now we only need to clean this solution. Solutions with washing more than 5 liters. I poured some of them here, then I will add 1 gram of zinc here, and in this solution I took 9 grams of zinc powder of the PCR0 brand. So carefully sprinkle. After about 10 minutes, the sediment is at the bottom. Now carefully salt it and let's see. This is the color of the sediment, this is gray. This suggests, after all, that the content is low and the gold coating is simply decomposed with some kind of metal. Perhaps copper was added. Well, something was added because of this, it dissolved very slowly. But all the same, now we will check with nitric acid what remains after dissolution. The sediment was well washed with water, now we need to release the gold. To do this, I will use 67% nitric acid. The cylinder took 50 milliliters to measure the flow rate. So carefully pour. Add more nitric acid and watch. The reaction has stopped, which means that this whole dark sediment is gold. As a result, this is the amount of sediment. Now we need to do the cleanup. For cleaning, I will use Aqua Regia. I prepared 10 milliliters consisting of 2.5 milliliters of nitric acid 67% and 30% hydrochloric acid 7.5 milliliters. Carefully pour in and wait for everything to completely dissolve. Everything dissolved and the consumption was about 1.5 milliliters. Now you need to buy everything up. While the solution is being filtered, we will prepare a reducing agent. One whole 4/10 of a gram of ascorbic acid and dissolve it in 10 milliliters of water. The solution was filtered out. We put it to heat. And now it remains to add a restorer. Summing up, let's see the result. This is the result for gold and, consequently, these are the expenses and this is the average income for gold. That is, if processed with acids, I think it will not be profitable. And support this video with a like. Good luck to everyone, bye to everyone.